Quatschen lutschen Sims a bill. And I'm also about you is a will.
Tutorial on creating consistent characters with Bing AI. Unfortunately, Bing doesn't have a built-in option for character creation. However, today I'll guide you through 2 easy methods to effortlessly create consistent characters. Visit the Bing Image Creator website. To ensure consistent characters, just follow these tips as we go through the image creation process. Always choose a name for your character. For example, I've named my character Ella. Specify the character's gender and age. Identify the character's nationality and origin, including their occupation helps too. More details make for a better character. Accurately describe their appearance, face shape, eye color, hairstyle, etc. Specify what type of clothes they wear. Once you've gathered all these details, simply add the pose or scene at the end. This ensures your character remains consistent across all scenes. As you can see in the prompt, only the scene and pose change, while other characteristics stay the same. People from different nationalities often have distinct facial features and styles. For example, people from North and South America, Europe, East Asia, and Central Asia have different characteristics. Specifying nationality is very helpful. Occupations also significantly influence a person's style and appearance. Someone who does a lot of physical labor will have stronger muscles, while someone who works indoors might have different skin due to less sun exposure. See how simple and easy it was to create a consistent character? Now, let's try another example using Copilot Designer. On the Microsoft Copilot website, click on Designer. So, I've prepared the prompt in advance for creating an anime character, including their name, age, appearance, and clothing style. The more details you include, the more impressive the final result will be. I only changed the scenes, and it consistently generates the character in different scenarios. Click on any of the images. You can adjust its dimensions using the blue rectangle at the bottom of the image. Hover your mouse over the image while holding down the Control key. This allows you to select specific parts of the image. Now, you can effortlessly blur the background or change its color. Download the image from the top corner. At the bottom of the image, there are different styles. Click on them to change the image style. It will regenerate accordingly. Repeat this process to create the other images. Lastly, here's a helpful tip for creating prompts. Navigate to ChatGPT. Click on Explore GPTs. Search for Image Prompt Generator. Click on it, then click Start Chat. Introduce the character, and it will generate the prompt for you. For testing, I requested it to create a consistent character and place it in various scenes. Now, all you need to do is copy the prompt and paste it into any AI text-to-image tool. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of creating consistent characters using Bing AI. I hope you're feeling inspired to bring your characters to life. If you have any questions or want to share your creations, feel free to connect with me on social media. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy character designing!